virtual memory. Next point is the virtual memory. In the virtual memory, first point is it's a imaginary memory supported by OS that not fitted in the main memory. Means the virtual memory is just like a imaginary memory supported by operating systems and exactly not fitted in the main memory. Now next point is the computer can address more memory than amount of physical installed in the system. The extra memory is called a virtual memory. Means what exactly? Whenever particular computer or particular machine just take a memory from program and process, but actually install in the disk very less memory. Okay, now in that situation, in that condition, some extra memories are pending. That extra memory is called as a virtual memory. Now next one is it's a technique which allows the execution of process that may not be completed in the main memory. Means the virtual memory is a particular technique or particular method. That method is a execution of a process but exactly not completed in the main memory. It's a separation of user logical memory from physical memory. Means it's a separation of a user logical memory from physical memory. Okay, now virtual memory, it's a commonly implemented in the demand paging and segmentation. Means a virtual memory through demand paging and segmentations are processed are implemented properly and successfully. Now next what, it's a size of program, and data and stack may exceed amount of physical memory available for it. Means a virtual memory is just like a size of program, data and stack may exceed the amount of physical memory available for it. Okay, now next point is the operating system sometimes currently using a main memory and rest of on the disk. Means operating system sometimes currently used in a main memory. Means operating systems through the virtual memory sometimes, but this is a very rare cases used in a main memory, rest on the disk. Okay, and last one is it allows the that files and memory to be shared by several different process through page sharing. Means it's a virtual memory allows file and memories to be shared by different process through page sharing. This is just simple explanations of a virtual memory. Virtual memory is a very important part or important point for exam point of view. If you any doubt, any query, please ask me by message or call.